In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a box on TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the left here and you want to enable this drawings toolbar. So go to the top left if you can see it, click on your profile icon and click on drawings panel and enable it that way, okay? Now, when you do that, you want to go to this brush and you want to click on the arrow next to it to open up geometric shapes. And here, if you want to add a box, you have this rectangle. Of course, you can either click on it or press Alt plus Shift plus R on your keyboard, which is going to trigger that as well. And then when you do so, it's going to enable the rectangle tool, as you can see. And now we can draw a box. So we can just start by clicking with your left mouse button wherever you want to start it. So I'm going to click over here, for example, like this. Then you can just drag your mouse without clicking anything. And then when you're done, for example, you want to finish over here, you can just click with your left mouse button again. And there we go. You have a box, which is just a rectangle. Now you can, of course, kind of change it like this. You could go and change its size and dimensions using these squares on the corners like this. You could go and, of course, make it bigger like that as well by using these circles on the corners. And what you can also do is basically move it. So just click anywhere and drag it and you can move it that way. If you want to customize it and personalize your own box, you could go to the top, you can change its color, you can go and change the fill color as well if you want to, and then of course you can change the text color in case you've added any text onto it, on here like this for example, and then of course the thickness of your borders, how the line looks like this, and then you have multiple other settings as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.